Hello everybody and welcome to Trade with Precision free newsletter. My name is Tamar Mehr. Today I want to take a look at the British pound charts. We have seen some nice selling of this currency, and what I want to do today is take a couple of the charts and compare this chart to find out which of them would be my preferred choice of trading and which one of those I would actually choose to leave alone. So let's start with Euro Pound, and what we can see here on Euro Pound, this is the 2 hours and the 4 hours chart. You can see that we do have a trend here. There is a level sitting around this area, the 0.73 round number. It's last week high approximately at that area, and also yesterday high as well. If I'll take the fib from the low right here to the high, what we can spot is also the sweet spot sitting around that level of 0.73, and you can also see the couple of touches around this area. So I'll pull back into this area, a rejection candle right around here, bullish candle in the buy zone. I will look for a continuation of this uptrend. However, when I come into the daily, let me just zoom in a little bit on the daily, and I want to mark this level that has formed here on the daily right here, and what you can see around the 0.737 thereabout, there have been a couple of touches, so it's actually drawn in a little bit higher, but you can see it's a little bit lower from this, around the 0.736. Around that area, a couple of touches. They're not all precise, but they're definitely out there. You can also see that the market came up and pulled back from it. So any opportunity that I would look to take, I must be able to clear at least a 1-to-1 before I get to that level. So it's sort of a nice opportunity, but it's not the best that I can find. If I take a look at the weekly, I can see here above us is also the 0.74 level. So actually, in the way of my target, there are two quite strong levels. One of them on the daily, and the second one is on the weekly. So if I'll be looking at this market, it's a nice opportunity from the lower time frame, but it's not a fantastic opportunity as I go up into the higher time frame. There are obstacles in my way. Let's take a look at another chart. Let's view the pound yen. So when we take a look at the pound yen, we have a really nice selling the last couple of days, but as you can see from the weekly, we're coming down again into a level. It is also the round number of 180, so sitting right around here, and we're currently rejecting that level. Let's take a look how the daily looks like. And from the daily, what we can see, huge selling pressure the day before yesterday, and yesterday we had a somewhat indecision candle. We are overextended from the moving averages. We are bouncing off the 180 level, high probability of a pullback right around here. And if we'll take a look at the lower time frames, such as the 2 hours as an example, and even the 4 hours, we can spot it right here. We can see that we have a divergence coming into this market. So as the market makes lower low, indicators are making higher low, which is also increasing the probabilities of this market pulling back. So as much as I like the selling pressure on pound yen, I will hold on that opportunity until I see the pullback playing out. Let's have a look at pound New Zealand. So when we look at pound kiwi, what we can spot here from the monthly, I actually would like to jump straight into the monthly. The monthly is in an uptrend, there is no denying for that. However, we do have some nice selling month over here. Currently this month breaking the low of the very bearish candle of last month. We are also sitting right now below a level. There is a level here on the monthly at the 2.2 or thereabout. We're currently breaking down below it and trading below it. So I quite like this move. We're also quite far away from the next level, which is around the 2.09 to 2.1. So lots of room for this market to move, which is quite different than what we've seen on Euro GBP. Now, if we'll take a look at the daily is not too overextended, so looking for a continuation of this downtrend. A pullback into this 2.2 level and a continuation would be absolutely lovely, but this market is is quite bearish and we might not get it. Taking a look at the 2 hours and the 4 hours, we start to see the market consolidating around this level. So I'll be going down the time frame even into the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and look for a reason to take this as a breakout. Currently we don't have a very precise level right around here, but I'll be watching this level to see if I can take it as a breakout, or if the market breaks through that level without giving me an opportunity for a breakout momentum, then what I'll look to see is if I can get a pullback into that level and a continuation of this downtrend. So I really like this market, especially now that we are below the level of 2.2. Let's take a quick look at pound Swiss. We had some nice move in that market, but as we can spot from the daily, we're coming down into a level around the 1.47. So any trading opportunity that I will find needs to be out and cleared of profit before I get into this level of 1.47, because it is an obstacle in the way of my target. So even though there has been selling pressure on the pound against almost all the currencies, it's still important to pick the better chart, the chart that will allow you for a further profit target and for higher probability trading opportunity. So if you want to know more about how we trade and you want to take a part of our Christmas special, please get in contact with us at info@tradewithprecision.com or through our website. Wishing you a very happy holidays and a fantastic and prosperous new year. Bye for now.